in the Jackson. Ooh, I am for real.
Attention à droite, à droite, à droite. Ok, on prend. Attention. Vas-y, reviens. Devant. Ah merde. T'as un truc avec toi ou quoi? Vas-y, remets, quand tu vas au bout. Attention. Putain, ça retire. Bah, ça me fait. Ils redescendent tous. Vas-y. Quelqu'un tient?
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no loving, that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back, it will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong, one shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more. And I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call, I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining all of the fake shit the game has been packaging.
I've been keeping it real, I've been doing what I feel, I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will. Everything I'm working on, every night another song. They've been quiet all along, they gon' notice when I'm gone.
I come from a town where most of the people are so close-minded. They going to school and they working a job, but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box. Nobody telling me what I should rock. Nobody telling me what I should drop, cause I do what I want and just know I don't stop. Recording till 4 in the morning, they snoring. I'm pouring my soul into every story. I'm writing, producing, I mix it, I master. I'm building my craft and I'm not looking back. I've been going doing things I wanna do when I want to. Everybody wanna get a win, but they not do. Everybody wanna copy you, but they not you. Everybody wanna be cool, but they not new. Whoa, look how I go. Gonna be a dentist, I still got the flow. Never gonna lose cause I'm still doing both. Never gonna lose cause I've been on the road. Come to your state and I'm killing the show. Know that I'm young and I still gotta grow. Know that I'm working the most, know I'm never gonna choke. And I'm looking back down on the people below.
Voilà, c'est ça qu'on veut voir.
Crack the code, break the bank, and then I'm coming back for more. Maybe if you ride that wave, it only take you back to short. They say I won't be Macklemore, or I wanna be Eminem. Well, if I'm the new M, my bitch is the new Kim, yeah. And I guess that make you carbon copy, Papa Doc. Always on fire, watch her roll it when she stop and drop. Had to stop by the shop, cop the California pot. Got that green with orange hair, that shit look like Roger Klotz. It's funny how I make a switch. I was rapping like I'm broke, now I'm rapping like I'm rich. Rolling back to back with tobacco, you know that make a spliff. Inhale, exhale, take a photo, make a gif. Got a bitch in my kitchen, make a 7-layer dip. Keep a chip on my shoulder like I never made a ship. For the whip, pay the grip, hands turning to the wheel. I ain't even signed a deal, had to exercise and chill. Millionaire friends with me, I don't got the bill. Went to board for the meal, Shout to G and Soto Hill. All this polo feel like Uncle Phil's son. Will's cousin. I take 30 milligrams like every day. I'm still buzzing, yeah. White girls on my show. Dancing like they Taylor Swift. Dancing like they Taylor Swift. White girls at my show. Dancing like they Taylor Swift. Yeah. Dancing like they Taylor. I'm still very high, terrified, asking where am I? Stuck inside a paradigm with a paradigms. Oh, here's some fair advice. Don't come looking for a fair price. I just gotta check and I don't mean I'm verified. No, I keep that shit in my circle. Pedal the flow in the turbo. Button is popping the top off. She be like, where did my shirt go? All of my medicine purple. Half my medicine herbal. And half my medicine mixing it up with a drink in a cup like Kirkle. My bitch like Laura. I'm geek like Urkel. She give me oral. Put that on my verbal. Hit that reversal when she started choking. So I got her soaking. I poked her, she squirted. Nasty. Borderline trashy. Third of a wine glass, feel that classy. House full of bad hoes, you don't gotta ask me. The Mary Jane ass past Mary Kate Ashley. Dancing like they Taylor Swift. Like they Taylor. White girls on my show, dancing like they Taylor Swift. She been down to fuck, LOL, a fucking friend.
Il décale un peu. Attention, je passe.
Okay, it's rap back to my pulse flat. We keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cars and they all black. Got 4 bras and they all that. We call that ballin'. Doing this is my calling. Flow is so appalling. My phone off and she calling. I'm like, yeah, what it do? Penthouse, man, what a view. Fall back cause I'm coming through with my whole team. They coming too. That's real, too real. Motherfucker, tell me how you feel. I'm too good for my own good. I won't leak the album, I let it spill. Number 1, bitch, I bet it will. Do the numbers, I said it will. I played the game and I'm still the same. And I never changed just to get a deal, bitch, I'm ballin', ballin'. I came from nothing to something like it's nothing. Yeah, you know I done it, that is no discussion, bitch, I'm ballin', ballin'. I made a promise to my mama, I'ma turn these zeros into tens of commas. Bitch, I'm ballin', ballin'. Closing $1 million deals, catch me swerving, burning $100 bills. How I feel when you ballin', ballin'. Going places they never go. It ain't all about the money, but I stack it cause you never know. Live life till I overdose, what they sleeping on me, that's comatose. So in mainstream with my main team, you just mad as fuck, you ain't come close. And your next girl is my ex-girl. She fine as hell, but she a mess, girl. All I do is rhyme, I got no time, so I can't reply to your test, girl. But I'm back again and I run it. Always gotta keep it 100. All of y'all know y'all want it. Turn it up and get blunted. I'm like, fuck the money, fuck the fame. I came here to fuck up the game, gon' get it. I'm feeling myself, fresh to death, bitch, I'm killing myself, I'm gone. We burning it up, stepping it in and we turning it up. Talking that shit, but they never admit when I step to the mic, I be murdering it and we living. Real good, mainstream, but it's still good. I got raw shit, I got real shit, but right now it's time for that feel good. We call that ballin', doing this is my calling. Flow is so appalling, my phone off and she calling. I'm like, yeah, what it do? Penthouse, man, what a view. Fall back cause I'm coming through with my whole team, they coming too. That's ballin', ballin'. I came from nothing to something like it's nothing. Yeah, you know I done it, that is no discussion, bitch, I'm ballin', ballin'. I made a promise to my mama, I'ma turn these zeros into tens of commas. Bitch, I'm ballin', ballin'. Closing $1 million deals, catch me swerving, burning $100 bills. How I feel when you ballin', ballin'. Going places they never go. It ain't all about the money, but I stack it cause you never know.
You know that we ballin', we be going all in. Hold on, let me slow it down so y'all get the shit. These haters talk, but I don't give a shit. Got models, bottles, and the piff is lit, but we ballin'. Kinda like sprawling and rollin'. On the road to riches, never stallin'. Got your girl up all on my nuts, boy, she do it with joy, no almonds. Living life to perfection. VIP, that's the section. Presidential watch, presidential suite. You would think we held an election. Nick go logic first, and I'm up next. I do not converse, I just cut checks. I do not rehearse, I just drop the verse. I need a cop of hers, cause I'm fresh with that vibe. Bet you never seen so much designer. Never seen a nigga with a bitch that's finer. Boy, I stuck when I ain't even tryna. Swaggin' is nice, but first I'm a rhymer. And I rep Maryland, home of the terrapin. Say you spit crack, homie, we spit that heroin. Bring it right to your front door like I'm Carolyn. Standing next to me would be so embarrassing. Yeah, we be ballin',
ballin'. I came from nothing to something like it's nothing. Yeah, you know I done it, that is no discussion, bitch, I'm ballin', ballin'. I made a promise to my mama, I'ma turn these zeros into tens of commas. Bitch, I'm ballin', ballin'. changed. I just wanted to say that, that's all.
That's all we wanna do, man.
Yeah, hey Tune, I'm doing something different, nigga. Follow my lead. Yeah.
All aboard.
Black whip, black rims, yellow bitch, red bone, thick hips, blue eyes, big lips, hair long, thick as shit, bad as fuck. Me and her Tune, nigga, add it up. If you love your girl, you wanna keep your girl, then let me meet your girl, cause I'll snatch her up. Two niggas in one whip with 2 scraps and a pound of green with a mouth full of that gold shit. True religion, my fucking jeans. Red hat, red chucks, red dress with a red punch. About to hit the bitch with that super dick. When she fall out and she get drunk. Niggas know I stay with the strap, so these niggas try to talk on the low. But your girl a hoe, her friends a hoe. I tell them get low, they got on the flow. A pound of dro, a half a kush, a half a diesel. Y'all smokes it all with a bad bitch in my rear view. She try to hunt the home, but I keep going. Yeah, some young niggas from the loot. My boys like, nigga, who are you? Yeah, them niggas know I left my pants in. So don't ask me why my motherfucking pants in. Couple bands in my pocket, 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 40 grand in my pocket, about to take my chick to go shopping. Gucci, Louis, and Prada, you can find it all in my closet. I ain't no bitch, nigga, no snitch, neither. Look at all these times of reefer. Dirty Sprite in my cup, and then I'm smoking like I'm Wiz Khalifa. Got an AR-15, I aim it at your fucking flame. I turn this bitch to a murder scene. My name Tune, no Gucci, got Gucci. I'm jet lean on the jet plane with porn stars. Brother bitch, I'm going hard. Shout out to my dealer, a real drug dealer. Conzo, pound trick. Turn this bitch to thriller. This ice on my wrist vanilla. And if I go too deep, I'm a killer. She like that dope dick, so I hit her with that killer. I'm a rich ass nigga. Pay go figure. Got a couple bells in my wallet. Shitting on him, I need a toilet. I get high, no looking down. 2 clips, 100 rounds. It's going down in Toontown. It's my crown, I'm the king now. Yeah, some young niggas from the loot. My boys like, nigga, who are you? Yeah, them niggas know I let my pants in. So don't ask me why my motherfucking pants in. Couple bands in my pocket, couple bands in my pocket, couple bands in my pockets, couple bands in my pocket, couple bands in my pocket, couple bands in my pocket, couple bands in my pockets, got a couple bands in my pocket.
Yeah.
Yo, on my grind all day, gonna make $1 million selling that someday. You know I'm in the rhythm when I write this way. Put me in the crown when I bite this game. Bitch, I'm an animal. Eating these rappers, I swear I'm a cannibal. About to fulfill all my dreams. I'm a fiend. I've been plotting and scheming. This shit is obscene. I rise on fleek. What in the fuck does all that even mean? Seems like we're scared about what is perceived. But let me be straight up. This shit is for me. Me, this shit is for me. Bitch, verbatim. Working all day. These games I'm playing. Killing every shit you ever motherfucking slam. Let them all know I'm about to win it when they bum my shit right now. Right now. Ain't nobody fuck around town right now. Ain't nobody fucking with the sound right now. Ain't nobody fuck around town my shit right now. Right now. Ain't nobody fuck around town right now. Ain't nobody fucking with the sound right now. Ain't nobody fuck around town my shit right now. Yeah. Right now. Yeah. On my grind all day, rap so good, but I get so paid. I ain't from the but I've had bad days, so I smoke all day to avoid all the pain. Management said I should sound OG.
Right about the time your homie OD. Here, we bought you a whole bag of weed, so you could sell loud and sound so motherfucking
goddamn high. All I do is smoke and I write these lines. Schooling good grades where I fell behind. Picking up the piece of paying back my time. Do I really wanna get this high? Do I really wanna write these rhymes? Do I really wanna be a fucking sellout? Do I really wanna take that route? Hell nah, I'm just paying my dues. Getting that check, swagging out on dues. Gotta get paid so I can pay my rent. Slow me get a snapback, a chain, let me get it right now. Right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town right now. Ain't nobody fucking with the sound right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town my shit right now. Right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town right now. Ain't nobody fucking with the sound right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town my shit right now.
Right now. Right now. Right now. Yo. Right now. Right now. Right now. Yo. Alright.
Ok, come on. Zig, zig, zig.